Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre on this Saturday. After yesterday's cloudy and cool conditions over the Eastern Cape, we're expecting a clearing trend for the province today, and along with that it's going to be a much warmer afternoon. Over the interior of the country, partly cloudy weather will dominate, and along with that thunder showers will develop from the Northern Cape all the way through to parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Over the Lowveld, on the other hand, we're still expecting moist air to move in from the southern parts of Mozambique, resulting in showers, including along the adjacent escarpment, while on the opposite side of the country it's going to be a sunny Saturday across the western coastline. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a warning for today. That's for a high fire danger over the west coast district of the Western Cape, where runaway fires will be possible. Now for your rainfall probabilities, and there we see that increased chance for showers along the escarpment areas of Limpopo and Mpumalanga as the moist air backs up against the mountainous areas. Otherwise, isolated thunder showers will be developing over many parts of central and eastern South Africa and along the east coast as well as further inland. We're still expecting a chance for rainfall, but that is in the process of clearing, and we're not expecting any further rainfall for those areas later today. A dry day for the Western Cape province. Now your maximum temperatures this afternoon, and here we see how things are recovering quite nicely for the Eastern Cape. Bishu getting to 28 degrees, still remaining cool over some of the mountainous areas, including into southern KwaZulu-Natal's interior, where Pietermaritzburg reaches a high of 26. Warm for Gauteng as well as into the northwest province. Another hot day for the Northern Cape, and temperatures rising continuously along that western coastline for the next few days. Cape Town at 32 degrees this afternoon. Now let's move ahead to the coastal forecast, and moderate winds are expected for Lambert's Bay and Langebaan today, but fresh winds persist for both Namaqualand and Alexander Bay further northwards. We're expecting much lighter winds for today around the peninsula, but still fresh around Cape Point. Light winds, on the other hand, will be affecting Table Bay for most of today, and similar conditions for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas. Now along the southern coastline of the country, easterly to southeasterly winds persist. Fresh once again for Port Elizabeth, swells increasing slightly with waves breaking with 3 to 4 foot heights along the coast. And along the east coast of South Africa, we're still expecting a moderate swell to affect both Durban and Richards Bay due to the tropical storm out in the Indian Ocean. Winds, on the other hand, will be light, but we're expecting fresh winds to start developing for East London during the course of this afternoon.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com